everyone, welcome. It is Delta Coding Tutorials, and today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to create a simple calculator. So let's go on the screen, and yeah, so I'm on the screen. So we want to create app lab, and then we want to go to theme, and I want to change the theme to blue and gold. So now let's create like the title. So let's create a label. No, text area is gonna be good. A text area because we can make it the name title, and then you can name it whatever you want, but I'm just gonna name it simple calculator. And then let's make that's good. It's kind of like I don't want it. That's good. And then we want to create two text inputs, so one text input there, then so this, yeah, so one text input right there. So now let's just name it 1 because it's gonna make it easier. And now the placeholder text is gonna be dot 1. Let's make it like 15, not like 15. Dot 2. Then let's make the size 15. And then we want where our answer is gonna be printed, like right about there. And I'm not gonna leave it like read only, because you should be able to like copy the text. So yeah, and I want to make the size on this like 17 is good. Then this is gonna be a answer. And now we need 4. First, let's kind of like shorten these like right there, because we need the room. So we need to create 4 buttons. Let's make it like kind of compact. This is good. Now let's click on the first one and plus, and then the text is going to be add, subtract, and subtract. And then the third one's going to be multiply, and we're going to put multiply, and then it's gonna be divide, and then it's gonna be the divide symbol. And now what we want to do is that's it. Now we can start coding. So we first want to put 4 on event blocks. Just 4. And then you want to put on event for each one. That's why, like, for each button, the ID. Like that, all that. And now we need 4 set number. We don't want it to be, well, I don't, we just wanna, and then we wanna set A, cause that's it. ID for the answer box, and then we can just click A. So yeah, and then we need to get number. No, we need the plus minus this, that's minus, multiply, divide. Now we need 8 get numbers. Get number from there. Get number. Get number. Get number. Get number. Get number. Get number. Now we're gonna just put get number from 1 in all these, and then 2 in the second row. So basically this is gonna be getting the input from this and then setting the number here. So like if we run it and I put like 1, 11, subtract, add, multiply, divide, it works. So I hope you enjoyed this episode. So what are the things we learned about today? So like, we learned about how to create a simple calculator, and we learned about how to create a simple calculator, and that may be like 8 minutes, but this video is worth watching. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.